Kaizer Chiefs benefit or whatever.
Let's see what happened there. You can see that when you look at Doxo element, direction of play is towards goals. Distance very close. Number and location of defenders, they are behind. One is even far. Likelihood of the player gaining control of the ball is there. So therefore, all the Doxo element have been successfully completed and a red card will come out. So correct decision by Mdluli to give a red card.
If it's a red card,
he did what we call Doxo, denying an obvious goal scoring opportunity by committing an offense which is punishable by a free kick. You see Mdluli there issuing the first red card of the season.
Mara defendable 10 by 50-50 I would red card.
Here, as the first red card of the season, we're saying look at the offense committed there with the hand. So this is holding an opponent who's running. There was impact. So correct this in by Mdluli to give a red card.
Usefonile phela ubhophi lapha.
Yeah.
Uthi sidwele kanzima.
When you're no longer in Spain, you're in pain. You're in pain.
Solo